The motion also called on Governor Ifeanyi Okowa as a matter of urgency to urge President Muhammadu Buhari to direct the Minister of Power, Works and Housing, Mr. Babatunde Fashola, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, to immediately return the contractors back to site to carry out repair works on the roads. The motion was, however, amended by the member representing Ughelli South constituency, Honorable Reuben Izezi, to expunge the part of the motion which called on President Muhammadu Buhari to investigate the non-completion and abandonment of the two roads and to ascertain monies released and actual amount paid to the contractors. Honorable Izezi said it was not within the legislative powers of the House to urge the President to investigate the non-completion of the roads. The motion was adopted by the House. The motion, as moved by Honorable Evans Iwuri, noted that the Abraka-Ugo-Eviebosi Road was awarded at the cost of 30 billion naira in February 2011, while the Sapele-Abraka-Agbo-Ewu dualization was awarded at the cost of 112 billion naira in March 2015. He said both roads were federal roads but have remained in a state of ruin, dilapidation, unmotorable, and have been completely abandoned despite the fact that the roads have been flagged off and mobilization fees paid to the contractor. Honorable Iwuri told the House that the true federal roads were of high economic importance as it connects over 200 communities in the state with Edo State. The lawmaker said the present state of the roads had made life difficult for farmers, motorists and other road users, hence the need for the immediate repair of the road.
These two roads were being awarded. Also, mobilization were paid to the contractors to handle these roads. Also, two different ministers flagged off and celebrated these roads. Mr. Speaker, since the flag off of these roads, these two major roads that also connect on the west, the Port Harcourt Warri Benin Federal Express Interstate. On the east, the Onitsha Benin Lagos Interstate. And in the central, the Benin Lagos bypass. These are strategic economic routes in Nigeria.
Others who spoke in support of the motion included Honorable Reuben Izezi, Honorable Emeka Nwobi, and Honorable Daniel Yengi. They said it was the responsibility of the federal government to fix federal roads, stressing that the movement of goods and services, including farm produce to other parts of the country, was now very difficult because of the deplorable condition of the roads. The lawmaker noted that many people will be thinking that the two roads were owned by the state government and would be wondering why the state government abandoned the roads, whereas they were federal roads.
That road, particularly the Sapele and Mukwe, Abraka-Agbo, does not connect just two states. From my personal experience, that road connects Delta Edo State to the rest of northern Nigeria. It is the role of farmers and farm produce.
People ask them, feel it's a state road. What is that road? What is the state government road? But we need debate to make us clear, to make everybody know that it's a federal road. And if it's a federal road, now the country for a state, then back on the road.
The motion was unanimously adopted when put to a voice vote by the Speaker, Honorable Monday Ibuya. For Delta TV News, I am Pere Botu.